Hey guys, it's Fabulous TT. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the TT Squad. This is an unboxing. Two different stores. First store is the Disney store. Second store is just a mall run. So let's get into it. So as y'all can see, I got this from WW Shop Disney because I really wanted something special for me. I am a fan of Disney's products. So first of all, I want to show y'all that, they gave me a receipt just in case I didn't like it. I can always mail it back to them. So here it is. Look at this packaging, y'all. Like, look how cute that is. Can y'all guess what it is? Small. Probably can't, but it's jewelry for me. So let me open it up for you guys. They Minnie Mouse Swarovski crystals. This is sterling silver. Y'all see what it says down there? These are so cute. I'm a Minnie Mouse fan, and I just had to get these for myself. They're so cute. So that's what I got from that store. All right, and then the next thing is a mall run. So I went to Route 21. I got some earrings, multiple earrings, as you can see. Really cute. Smiley face ones are my favorite. And then I also went to Route 21 and got this beautiful rainbow, I'm sorry y'all, rainbow necklace. Look how pretty that is. So y'all could go to Route 21 and get that. Then I got some shoes. Dillard. So y'all already know. Dillard's got the heels, okay? You want sexy heels? Dillard. Period. In the store, I got Gianni, Baby. What y'all know about Gianni? Look how pretty this box is. Quality. And these are the shoes. Look out. Don't play on Giovanni. Don't sleep on them. And I got these at a really good price. Just know these were a check. Thank you.